Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here.
All right, so I've already unboxed everything from my OEM Experts Sample box. This is similar to a free giveaway. I'm going to give you the breakdown of numbers of what I think I can make. All right, so I've broken everything down. Now, the one thing I'm going to say is that everything is in relatively good condition. There's a couple of things that are not in original packaging, but I'm going to give you kind of the pros and cons from a reseller's perspective only, okay? You can buy these things for your personal use, and they're going to be great for you. So over here, I kind of have my $5 pile. All of these things are easily scannable on Amazon. I can find a listing, and I can make probably about $5 a piece. So 5, 10, 15, 20 bucks there, okay? Give or take a couple bucks. This is a stainless steel shaker. I should be able to make $10 easily on Amazon with this. This, because it's monogrammed with a letter, sometimes I have a hard time moving those types of things because it's such a small, narrow genre of people that want to buy one with the letter J. And so that's kind of a question mark. These here are not in the original packaging, and so they would definitely have to be sold on eBay. They're a Samsung. It looks almost kind of like a Bluetooth around the neck type of thing. It says a Samsung U-Flex. And then this is basically iPhone chargers with cords. And so I'll have to look those up. So those are a bit of a question mark. I'm going to move over here. This is kind of, they do a lot of consumer electronics. And so these are like portable battery powers. And then a lot of, this is a USB tassel. It's got a USB cord on it. But all of these things I would say would range anywhere from $2 to $4. And so I probably got maybe another 20 bucks, 20 to 30 bucks over here worth of stuff possibly on that kind of stuff. This stuff just phases out quick, but as you can see, it's all new in package and in good condition. Now here's kind of where I might make my money back here. These are Urge ultra thin under counter lights and LED lights. This one has a listing on Amazon. It's going for 40 bucks, but it's not sold yet. These are all new products. This brand Urge is new listings on Amazon, so a lot of them don't have the following or the sales rank yet. But if I can get in on the ground floor, I may be able to make my money back. So this would be 40. This is 20, 20. You know, 15 to 20 on these two, and then this is possibly 20. So I got about 100 bucks in this Urge electronics here. So this is a sample box. They're doing a free giveaway of a box of this kind, and so it is possible to make some money on this. As you can see, it's not a lot of extra work simply because everything is brand new. You don't have to sell it and describe the condition because it's all brand new in packaging for the most part. So that's kind of gives you an idea of what they have available and the variety of things that they have. A lot of general merchandise, of course, phone accessories, and then even some other electronics. So hopefully this has been helpful, seeing what you could get in this size of a free sample box. And leave a comment below. He's going to do a giveaway for a box similar to this with a variety of different items in it. May not be exactly these items, but it'll be similar. And so all you have to do is leave a comment below. If you are a reseller, you will get to win the free box. So leave a comment below and just tag OEM Experts, and that way they can look in my comment section and find a winner. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.